This is going to be our deck. We're waiting for it to dry so we could paint it again with the anti-corrosive paint, and then basically we're going to weld on the metal frame out and then put wood on top. So this is what it looks like now. Okay, this video is about installing a deck on a rooftop of a container. Basically what we've done here so far is we've laid down these steel beams, welded them to the ground, or should I say the top of the container. We've installed the railing there, going all the way around. Okay? And then basically the wood that's going to go up top was drying. So we'll coat that with some heavy duty rain and sun protector. So basically what you see here, you know, pretty simple. We've kind of used the engineering structurally supported idea of putting the metal perpendicular to the metal bars and to the support of the roof. Pretty interesting.